Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we have started with a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, Personalizing Windows 7. Okay, so this was a topic that we have started in our previous session. Okay, so in the last session we have done the topic that how you can open the personalization window. So how to open the personalization window, so that we had discussed in the last session. So today I'll continue with the next few topics. So first of all, the topic is chapter number 6, that is chapter 6, personalizing Windows 7. Personalizing Windows 7. Okay, so that is personalizing Windows 7. Chapter 6, personalizing Windows 7. Okay, so देखिए the last topic that we had discussed was how to open a personalization window. So now we are going to start with another topic, that is changing desktop background. That is changing desktop background. Okay, so how you can change or how you can personalize your desktop background. ओके आप अपने डेस्कटॉप पे का बैकग्राउंड कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं, और इन अदर वर्ड हाउ यू कैन चेंज द पिक्चर. देखिए कई आप में से बहुत सारे बच्चे वो अपनी पिक्चर लगाते हैं डेस्कटॉप पे, अपने फेवरेट पेट की, अपने फेवरेट अपनी मम्मी की, पापा की. सो वी यूज टू अप्लाई दिस काइंड ऑफ पिक्चर ऑन आवर कंप्यूटर screen or the laptop screen. So what are the various steps that you will follow for changing the desktop background. So it is given here. You can make your desktop background more beautiful by changing its wallpaper according to your choice. The background image that appears on your desktop is called the wallpaper. You can even put your own picture or the other pictures provided by Windows in your computer. So background क्या होता है? So that means the background is the wallpaper. जैसे कि अपने मोबाइल में wallpaper लगाते हैं, ओके हम अपने मोबाइल में अपनी फ़ोटो लगाते हैं, स्क्रीन पे लगाते हैं, that is known as wallpaper. So similarly, so when we put picture, the picture that you can see on the screen of your desktop, that is known as wallpaper. So there are certain by default wallpapers that are already pre-installed in your desktop or in your laptops according to your window. But there are certain but you can also change the picture. You can put your own picture as well. आप चाहो तो अपनी picture कोई और भी picture आप लगा सकते हो. So you can you can apply any picture on the wall of your screen, that is known as wallpaper, as a wallpaper of your choice. चाहे तो आपने खुद की लगाओ, और यू वांट टू अप्लाई एनी अदर पिक्चर यू कैन. ओके, जैसे कि हम अपने मोबाइल में अपनी डीपी चेंज करते हैं, डिस्प्ले पिक्चर चेंज करते हैं, वी अपने मोबाइल की स्क्रीन पे अपनी पिक्चर लगाते हैं. सो ऑल दिस इज नोन एज वॉलपेपर. क्लियर? सो देयर आर सर्टेन स्टेप्स दैट वी नीड टू फॉलो इफ यू वांट टू चेंज द वॉलपेपर. द फर्स्ट इज open the personalization window. So as I have already told you in the yesterday's session, we had discussed what are the various steps that you have to follow for open the personalization window. So personalization window open करने के बाद only then you can change the wallpaper. So after opening the personalization window, only then you can change the wallpaper on your desktop or the background of your desktop. So first of all, the first step is open the personalization window. So this is the first step. So after opening the first personalization, this is the first step of changing the background or the wallpaper on your desktop. To open a personalization window, use the steps 1 to 4 from the previous section. Okay, so just given. Click on desktop background. So देखिए now हमने जो पर्सनलाइजेशन विंडो कल की थी, सो सबसे पहले वी वेंट टू द, आई जस्ट गिविंग यू रिकॉल्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी वेंट टू द स्टार्ट बटन, देन स्टार्ट मेन्यू अपीयर, देन गो टू कंट्रोल पैनल. आफ्टर कंट्रोल पैनल द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज the control panel window will appear. Then you have to click on appearances and the personalization option. Okay, so then click on appearance and personalization. So as you click here, the appearance and the personalization window will appear like this, in which you have to click on the personalization option. Okay, so as you click on personalization option, the personalization window will appear like this. So this is the personalization window. From here you only, you can, after going up to this point or up to this window only, then you can change the background. So you can see here there are certain options are given: change the desktop icon, change mouse pointer, change your account profile, display taskbar, and certain other things. Okay, so you can change your picture. So desktop background, you can change it from here. Okay, so this is the steps. In this topic we will discuss the steps. So the first step for changing the desktop background is click on the desktop background. Click on desktop background. So click the desktop background is given over here. So you have to make a click here. Okay. After making a click here, so what will happen? The desktop बैकग्राउंड विंडो विल अपीयर. तो जैसे ही आप इस ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करोगे डेस्कटॉप बैकग्राउंड पे, सो द नेक्स्ट विंडो विल अपीयर. दिस विंडो इज नोन एज द डेस्कटॉप बैकग्राउंड विंडो. सो एज यू क्लिक हियर, द नेक्स्ट विंडो विल अपीयर ऑन योर स्क्रीन, on your laptop screen or the computer screen. That is the desktop background window. Okay, next click on the down arrow of the picture location. Okay, so now here you can see there are certain options that are given in this tab. So you have to click on this arrow. देखिए picture location is there. So picture location का मतलब क्या है? So फिर जहाँ से आप उस पिक्चर, जो भी पिक्चर आपको लगानी है वो कहाँ है, कहाँ से आप उसको लेना चाहते हो. Okay, suppose the picture that you want to apply as the wallpaper of your desktop or the laptop, that is in a folder in your mic. आपके mic computer में आपका नाम का एक folder है, उसके अंदर है. Okay, so for that आपको पहले जो भी पिक्चर आपको लगानी है, so whatever picture that you want to apply as your desktop background, so first of all you have to search that picture with this option, that is picture location. So after clicking here, the desktop background window will appear, and then you have to go here, that is the picture location option. Then you have to select कि जहाँ भी आपको जिस भी फोल्डर पे वो पिक्चर मिलेगी. So then select the, okay, so the suppose your picture is in the picture library, top rated photos or the solid colors. So wherever it is, you have to click. Okay, click on the background gallery you want to use. So जो भी आप, जहाँ भी आपकी गैलरी है, जहाँ से आप उस पिक्चर को लेना चाहते हो, so you have to click on that. And what will happen, if you want to add your own image on the desktop background, click on the pictures library in the list. You can also click on browse and then use the browse dialog box to select the file. Okay, so now if you want to apply your own picture, so you have to click on the picture library option. Okay, ओके, सो पिक्चर लाइब्रेरी ऑप्शन पे आप, ओके, एंड देन यू, ओके, सिंपली, ओके, आपको पिक्चर लाइब्रेरी में गए जो अगर आपको अपनी फोटो लेनी है, सो यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द बैकग्राउंड गैलरी. तो यहाँ पे गैलरी में क्या होता है, व्हाट इज इन द गैलरी? सो इन द गैलरी यू विल फाइंड ऑल दी पिक्चर्स. ओके, गैलरी में हमारे पास जनरली क्या होती है, ऑल द पिक्चर्स दैट वी आर हैविंग. ओके, चाहे वो फ़ोन की गैलरी हो, चाहे वो डेस्कटॉप की गैलरी हो, सो यू विल गेट ऑल द पिक्चर्स इन द गैलरी ओनली. ओके, सो आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन द बैकग्राउंड गैलरी दैट यू वांट टू यूज़, okay, then you have to make the next click. So as you click the background gallery, so what will happen, Windows 7 displays the background in the selected gallery. So जो भी आपने folder select किया है, it will display all the pictures from that gallery. Okay, then click on clear all. Click on the image or the color you want to use. Click on the down arrow and pictures position, and then click on the position you want, positioning you want. Click on save changes and click on close. So देखिए, after clicking on the picture gallery, the next option is click clear all. Then you have to make a click here, that is clear all option. ओके, सो जैसे आप क्लियर ऑन के ऑप्शन को क्लिक करेंगे, देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द इमेज और द कलर यू वांट। ओके, सो यू वांट टू चेंज द पिक्चर, जो भी पिक्चर आपको सेलेक्ट करनी है, यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट दैट पिक्चर बाय मेकिंग अ क्लिक ऑन दैट पिक्चर। आफ्टर दैट you have to click on the picture position. This is picture position. Picture position means कि वो जो पिक्चर आपने सेलेक्ट किया एज अ बैकग्राउंड, उसकी पोजीशन कैसी होनी चाहिए, क्या वो आपके लैपटॉप और डेस्कटॉप के बीचों बीच होनी चाहिए, साइड में होनी चाहिए, पूरी फिट होनी चाहिए। सो जनरली व्हाट वी डू, वी सिलेक्ट द फिट और द सेंटर ऑप्शन होंगे। हम ज़्यादातर फिट या सेंटर ऑप्शन ही सिलेक्ट करते हैं। सो आपको जो वॉट एवर पिक्चर यू वांट टू अप्लाई, सो आइदर यू विल क्लिक ऑन द फिट ऑप्शन or on the center option. So basically I used to select the fit only. So after selecting the picture, next select the picture position. So the picture should be fit to the complete screen and then save changes. सब कुछ आपने पिक्चर अपने हिसाब से सिलेक्ट कर ली, you had made the changes according that how that picture should appear on your desktop. Then you have to click here, that is save changes. That is save changes. So then click here save changes. So what will happen, so as you click on the save changes, all the changes will be done on the background and then just close it, close this window, and जब आप अपने desktop खोलोगे, so this picture that you have selected will appear on your screen. Okay, so this is how we are going to change the desktop background of your desktop or your computer or your laptop. Okay, so I'm just writing the top some steps for again. So first is what are the steps for changing the desktop background. So देखिए, for changing the desktop background, first of all you have to open the personalization window. So first is open the personalization window. Open the personalization, open the personalization window. पर्सनलाइजेशन विंडो के लिए भी आपको स्टेप्स बेटा मैंने कल बताए थे, सो यू हैव टू फॉलो दो स्टेप्स ओनली, आफ्टर दैट यू कैन ओपन द पर्सनलाइजेशन विंडो. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज आफ्टर ओपनिंग क्लिकिंग ऑन द आफ्टर ओपनिंग द पर्सनलाइजेशन विंडो, सो नेक्स्ट इज सो यू हैव टू click on desktop, then you have to click on desktop background. Okay, so then you have to click on desktop background. Okay, so second, then you have to click on desktop background. This is the second option that you have to click on desktop background. Third is after clicking on desktop background, next okay, so desktop background देखिए personalization window में यहाँ पे दी होती है option. So as you click on the desktop background option, so what will happen? इसके बाद desktop background, desktop background window, desktop background window will appear. As we click there, so उसकी desktop background window भी हमारे सामने ओपन हो जाएगी. So after that window is appeared, now you have to click. So what is the third step? The third step is that we have to click on down arrow of picture location. Okay, so after that you have to click on the down arrow of picture location. Down arrow of picture location. Then you have to click on the down arrow of picture location. So click desktop window, then click on the picture location के जो down arrow है, so you have to click here. Okay, so as you click on the Okay, so drop down menu will appear. So when you will click on the picture location, okay, so what will happen? A drop down menu will appear. 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 The next after this, the next step is then click on the background gallery you want to use. So जो भी आपको gallery from where you want to take that picture, so you have to click on that one. So click on, the next is click on background gallery. The next is click on background. The next is click on background gallery. Okay, so the next is click on background gallery. Okay, so now you have opened the gallery from where you want to take the picture. After that, the next step is after this you have to make the click that is clear all. Click on clear all. Okay, so background gallery में जो भी आपने picture select किए, so whatever, so as you click on the background gallery, so all these pictures will appear. So whatever the pictures you are having in your gallery, that will appear on the screen. Then you have to click here, that is clear all, and then select your picture. So whichever picture you want to apply as your wallpaper. Okay, so देखिए after this the next step is, so now after clear all, then you have to select the picture. The sixth is select the picture. उसके बाद हमारा next क्या है option, that is select the next fourth step is, sorry, the sixth step is click on the image. Click on the image, or click on the image, or you can say select the image. In spite of clicking, just write down select the image. Select the image you want to use. You want to use. So जिस भी image को आप लगाना चाहते हो आप as a background, so you have to select the image that you want to use. Okay, then seventh is click on picture position. Click and select. Click करके select with click and select the picture. Click and select the picture position. Click and select the picture position. After this, after clicking and selecting the picture position, click on save changes. Click on save changes. Click on save changes. And okay, so as you click on the save changes, all the changes that you have made for changing the background of your laptop, or for changing the wallpaper, all the changes will be saved, and at last you can click on close. At last click on close. At last you can click on close button. At last you can click on close button. That is given at the top here. So red button you can click there, and then this is how you can change the background. Okay, so then you have to select the image. Okay, sorry, then you have to click on the close button. So this is how, and जैसे इसके बाद close button आप click करोगे बेटा, what will happen? the changes that you have made or the wallpaper that you have selected will appear as your wallpaper on the desktop. वो आपका जो desktop आपने change किया था वो picture आपको अपने desktop पे दिखनी शुरू हो जाएगी. Clear? So these are the various steps that you have to follow for changing the desktop background. Clear beta? So this is from a today's session as well class. So with this I'm just ending this session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.